Hello audience, this is Toby Tequila. I don't know what to say, but I want to sing today. I want to sing today. That is not important right now. So, Griffin off the bed. Griffin off the bed. Griffin, is that off the bed? So, it's me, Toby. Like, have you ever heard that it was summer during it was February? Does that even make sense to you? To me, it doesn't. Summer? Oh, well, sometimes it's sunny and how you call this month? February. It's about to be March. Ah! 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 Subscribe. Bless your face if you see this video. Bless you.